Mobile search engine optimization. The bare essentials. There are only 3 steps involved in the process. 1. Developing specialized style sheets. 2. Creating separate sites specifically built and customized for mobile users. And 3. Local directory submission. Example, Google Local. Other ways to give your mobile website an edge. Follow the basic rules of traditional SEO. Use XHTML coding. Employ external style sheets and JavaScript. Shy away from Flash and other custom apps. Optimize audio and video that you offer on site. Learn how to use jump links. Use percentages to specify graphics size rather than pixels. Don't forget simple coding changes. Submit your mobile sites to mobile search engines and take the time to create a simple mobile sitemap. Do your research. As a part of your research, use your own mobile device and note the following. What frustrates you the most about the mobile web experience? Which websites are a major turnoff and why? Which websites do you consider to be a success and why? What features of your product or services are very relevant to the mobile experience? What information should be included to ensure that a mobile user can access the information they need to complete the sale? Pay attention to your answers and use this feedback as you begin building your own mobile website. In Chapter 4, we will look at socially mobile media. See you there.